Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're talking about Inglot and JLO collaboration. Correct me if I'm wrong, Inglot is a Polish brand or started from Poland. I've created this JLO inspired look and let's get into the tutorial to show the products, how they perform, and then I'll be back and share my thoughts, swatches and all that good stuff. Let's start straight away. I'm starting with the eyeshadow over here that's called Taupe. And I'm getting a fluffy brush and I'm just using that as kind of like transition color. Then I'm getting the matte shade here, Sienna. Then I'm taking a flat brush and the shade Copper. Small detail brush and that shade Charcoal. For the lower lash I'm going just with the Sienna. Then I'm taking some Duralin, just a flat brush, and I'm applying the Duralin just on the lid. Then I'm going with the Pigment Blazing Rose. For my inner corner and under the brow, I'm using the shade Ivory. Let's go with the blush, and I have the blush J121, that pink is here. I'm taking a blush brush, very pigmented. That pink is peach. And now the highlighter in Radiant, taking a little bit on a brush. Not for the faint-hearted. Now I'm trying the lipsticks and the first color is Besame and it's like a red color with pinkish base, I have to say. Putting a Charlotte Tilbury lip cheat in Kiss and Tell. And this is the lipstick in Besame. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury lip cheat in Pillow Talk, and the next lipstick is Flor. Beautiful peachy pink, definitely a JLO color. And this is Flor. And on top of that, I'm putting a gloss, of course. And this is the shade Goldilips. And this is the Goldilips on top. In the Australian site, when I saw the collaboration, I wasn't quite sure what to pick up first. And also the products, they don't come in a palettes, they do come like individual, like in a pan form, and then you have to get the separate palette and put the eyeshadows and the blushes if you want, of course. Other than that, you can put it in a magnetic palette. So before I order, I contacted the customer service, and a lovely lady named Cassie helped me a lot on what to pick and which products, you know, she thought that they would be suitable for me. Thanks a lot, Cassie, for your help. I really appreciate it. And I have to say, my experience with customer service and shipping and everything, it was very pleasant. The box that looks like that, how cute, right? And a thank you card. Let's start with the palette that I picked. JLO has her own palettes, the Freeform palettes. You can pick one saying her name, but also you can pick one of the Inglot original palettes. The box looks like that, pretty standard. And the palette that I picked is one of the biggest palettes. It says Jennifer Lopez, it's matte black and it's quite weighty. Now these all have a magnetic closure, look at that. And the magnets are very strong. and it looks like that. My only critique is that I wish it had a mirror here. I would really love that. And as I said, the eyeshadows, the blushes and the bronzers and powders and stuff, they came in just single pans like that. This is the box for the blush, if you know what I mean. I really like the fact that you can customize your own palette. It's something that I always liked, and basically I made the palette that suit my needs. Jennifer Lopez, I believe, released like what, 70 products, I heard, in that kind of like the amount. So it's a lot of stuff there. Lots of eyeshadows, lots of blushes, bronzers, and contour powders, highlighters, you know, you name it. The eyeshadows, they come in a matte form, in a like a shimmery pearl form, and also they come in that form that they are like matte with a little bit particles of glitter. I know many people, they don't like that, but this one's, the one that I have actually, performs really well. Let's go through the colors that I picked. Also, if you see it embossed, it's the JLO in the eyeshadows, which is really nice. Now, I picked the color Sienna, and it's a matte. The color Taupe, and that I believe it's like a pearl finish. Charcoal, it's that matte with the glitter on top. Copper, and that's like a pearl. And then pink satin and ivory. We've got ivory, pink satin, taupe, sienna, copper, and the charcoal. Other combo I really like, the taupe, just as a transition, and the pink satin on the lid. Beautiful. And that sienna, oh my god, that matte, if you're into mattes, this is a must. Even all over the lid, just that. Let's go to the blush, and I picked this one here, the pinkish peach, and it's a matte. They're all matte, the hair blushes, and that is in J121. I really like the blush. The blush is really nice too. I like that it's a matte blush because I picked up a highlighter, so you can control what you're gonna do. Now this is the blush. It's beautiful, isn't it? They're very pigmented, so bear that in mind. You don't have to use like as much as I did, obviously, but it's really nice. I'm very pleased that I picked all these. I love all these eyeshadows. None of these perform really bad. If I have to recommend some, I don't know, I would recommend all of them. They perform really well. As I said, if you're into mattes, this sienna, it's beautiful. This copper is really nice. The taupe, this taupe has a little bit of sheen, but you can use it as a transition color too. As I said, pink satin and taupe, they're really good combo, and I really like that charcoal. So I'm really pleased with these shadows that I picked, and also the blush is bomb. And the palette, I mean the palette, look at how strong the magnets are. The palette is really sturdy, and it feels very weighty too. I'm really pleased with this so far. The other thing I picked is one of the JLO's Pigment, and I picked one in Blazing Rose, as you saw, and the box looks like that. You get 2 grams, 0.07 ounces of product. I didn't say about the blush how much you get. I will put them below anyway. For blush, you get 6 grams, 0.21 ounces of product. It comes in a jar like this. It doesn't have a safety net or anything, so it looks like that, so you have to be really careful. And the color is really beautiful. It's that beautiful, like it called Blazing Rose, that beautiful like rose gold color. You can use that dry too. You don't have to use like a glitter base or, you know, that I use today. You can use it dry and it looks pretty good. The Inglot pigments, I believe they are like, you know, the most popular products they have. So this is no exception. This Blazing Rose, it's really beautiful, performs really well. And I really like the pigmentation, the color, you know, the way it sparkles. Next product, the highlighter. She's got highlighters in like pans, like kind of like a shape of the blush, but I heard they're not as intense, and as you know, I do like an intense highlighter, so I picked the one on a jar. The box looks like that, and it comes in 2 shades. It called Livin the highlight, and I got the shade Radiant, and you get 2.5 grams, 0.09 ounces. And it comes in a jar like that. Be careful, this is messy. Now you open it, and it comes with a puff. Now where you're gonna use this puff? Probably on your body, I would say, because I'm not gonna, you know, use the puff on my face. And if I use it on my body, just a little bit here. I'm getting the JLO glow. Obviously, I would pick a highlighter because that's Jennifer Lopez is famous about her glow. Now that has like a peachy kind of like champagne color. You know, that's intense. If I swirl my brush, there you go. You can see it a little bit better. Very, very shiny. You don't have to use much. You don't have to go to town like I did today, you know. Also, another trick with this, like you can apply your highlighter and then you can apply a spray just to make it a little bit more blend on the skin with your skin. And I use the Fix Plus today, but you can use any spray. The Pixie Glow Mist is really beautiful for that. But it's a beautiful, beautiful highlighter. I mean, it blends really well. What can I say? I love it. Of course I love it. The only thing I have to say about this, it's a little bit messy, obviously. And so you have to be a little bit careful how you apply it. But the glow is amazing. Also, I picked up two lipsticks, the shade Flor and Besame. You get 4.5 grams, 0.16 fluid ounces, and the boxes look like that. Also, the tube is really nice. It's a matte black with rose gold, Jennifer Lopez and Inglot. And I really like the embossed JLO. She has creamy formula in her lipsticks and matte formula. I picked up only the creamy formula. I haven't tried the matte, so I don't really know to tell you. But this shade Flor floored me. This is a beautiful pinky nude color. And I heard that this is apparently Jennifer's favorite color or one of her favorites. It glosses quite securely. Look at that. I like that. And the other one is Besame. Isn't Besame means kiss me? Let me know below. Again, you can see embossed the JLO, and this is like a pinkish red. A red, cool toned red with a kind of like pinkish base. They're very, very creamy. They had a slight sweet scent, but nothing overpowering. My favorite, I have to say, it's the nude, the Flor one, because I'm really into nudes. I have many reds. Not that this is not good, but I would, if I picked again, I would pick up probably only the nude. Last but not least, I picked a gloss, and the box looks like that. And I picked up the shade Goldilips, and you get 5.5 ml, 0.18 fluid ounces. The package looks like that. It looks very luxurious, and it's a beautiful, beautiful gloss. Comes with a doe foot applicator. Looks like that. And it's a goldish nude. The shine on this gloss, guys, it's incredible. It's not very opaque, this shade at least, Goldilips, but as I said, it's very, very shiny. Again, has that sweet taste, scent, like kind of like candy, but it's not overpowering. The gloss is beautiful. Oh, it's not sticky, it's not tacky, but it lasts a little bit longer than the traditional glosses. So I really like it. And as I said, I really like that shine, that kind of like wet feeling. And glosses like that remind me of Jennifer Lopez. If I have to pick up my favorites, I would definitely say I really love the palette. And pick up your own, you know, the shadows and the colors that you like. The eyeshadows, they are very, very pigmented, perform really well. They do have a bit of a fallout, but nothing major. I really love that matte sienna. Oh, that copper color. Oh my goodness. And the charcoal. Also, I love that pink satin is really beautiful. The ivory, I mean, I love all of them, obviously. A blush, I would definitely pick up a blush. You don't have to pick up as big as that. They have small palettes. Pick up a couple eyeshadows. They're really nice. The highlighter, of course, is a must. If you love a glow, if you love Jennifer's glow, I would pick up the shade Flor. It's really beautiful. And of course, the gloss. The gloss is really beautiful. I mean, obviously, I really like everything. So that's it, guys, for today. I hope you like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up and subscribe and let me know your thoughts below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it, and I love you lots. Mwah. Bye.